Hello, welcome to Igbo Medicine. Today we are going to be looking at getting attention in Igbo. How do you get attention in Igbo? You want to get somebody's attention on the street to ask a question and all of that. How do you get attention in Igbo? To get attention in Igbo, there are two magic words. One is Chere, and the other one is just like that first one, which is Chetụ, and they mean wait or hold on. But to be more polite in the use of these words, you would use something before it, which is Biko. Biko means please. So Biko Chere is please wait. Biko Chetụ is please wait. Or like I said, hold on a second or hold on. So please hold on, please wait is a way to get attention in Igbo, that is with strangers. With strangers, you want to get attention of a stranger, you say Chere or Chetụ, and you can get their attention. Then you can introduce yourself and then ask a question and all of that, or anything you want to point out to them. So you use those two words, Chetụ or Chere, with the Biko in front of them to get attention in Igbo. Now, what about in informal situations with people you know? There are endearing words that you can use to get someone's attention in Igbo. And one of those words is nne. Nne. Nna. Nna is one of the ways. Nne means mother, Nna means father, but they are terms of endearment when you say them or call them to people who are not obviously not your father and your mother, and you don't use it for someone who is older than you. Don't call someone who's older than you Nna. Nna is rude. To call someone who is older than you Nna, you understand? But someone who is much younger, someone who is much younger than you, is a term of endearment, and then someone who is your age also is a term of endearment. Nne Chere, Nna Chere. You can even use it with Chere, Nne Chere, Nna Chere. So if you are in a situation, a friendly environment also, even though they are strangers, like I said, in an informal situation, even though they are strangers, but you're in a friendly environment, you can just use Nne Chere, and that's excuse me, please, and it is said with a tone of endearment and something that endears you to people and makes people endearing to you. And then Nna Chere is also a way to get attention in Igbo. Now, what other ways can you use to get attention? Maybe you're talking with somebody and the person is leaving, and you want to call someone you already know before, not and maybe they forgot something with you or something like that. You can say bianne, 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 bianne. Bia is come. Ne, like I say, term of endearment for a female person, someone who you are friends with or friendly with, or just term of endearment that you can use generally. So bianne, you are raising your voice to get attention. Bianna, you are raising your voice to also get attention from the male person who obviously knows you are talking to them because you are calling in their direction and all of that. Now, you don't want to use bienya. Bienya is more aggressive and confrontational, and even when it is said with the kindest of tone and the mildest of tone, it still has this thing to it that makes it feel like, okay, you're coming to get me. Bienya, you want to interrogate me, or you want to question me, or you want to ask something, but it doesn't just usually go well. So bienya is more interrogative, and you don't want to use it to get attention, and it's rude when you talk to a stranger or an elderly person and you say, an older person, and you say bienya to them, bienya to them, in where I come from, you could be smacked in the face if it's family. It's like, are you not, are you talking to me bienya? That kind of a thing. So you want to be careful when you're using when you want to get attention in Igbo, and the words you use. Chetụ, Chere, with Biko in front of them is good enough to go. And there's another one that people use, which is rude on any ground, whether formal, informal. That one is ace. Ace. Ace is when you want to say something like, hey you, that kind of thing. You just do ace. So it's rude, and I wouldn't say you should use it. But there's one that's very close to it, which is why I have already made it part of this lesson, because we're talking about getting attention. So what if you want to get attention of a cab driver? You want to get attention of maybe a keke driver or an Okada rider. How do you get their attention? You want to get attention of taxi. How do you get their attention?